Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Shopify for no-code app extensions, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to the Shopify website. Click on the Start Free Trial button at the top right. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in a valid email address that you want to associate with your Shopify account. Next, create a strong password for your account. Make sure it meets the security requirements outlined on the page. After entering your password, provide a store name that reflects your business. Ensure that the store name is unique. Shopify will let you know if the name is already taken. Once your store name is accepted, click the Create Your Store button. Next, you'll be guided through a series of questions regarding your business. Answer each question honestly to tailor your experience. After completing the questionnaire, click on the Next button. Now, fill out your personal information. This information is necessary for Shopify to set up your account properly. Once you've filled out your details, click on the Enter My Store button. You will now be directed to the Shopify dashboard. On the left sidebar, look for the Apps section and click on it. At the top right corner of the Apps page, click on the Develop Apps button. You may need to enable app development in your store settings if it's not already activated. After enabling, click on the Create an App button. In the pop-up window, give your app a name that describes its functionality. Provide a brief description if prompted. This helps you keep track of your app's purpose. Click the Create App button to proceed to the app settings. Next, navigate to the Configuration tab. Set the required permissions that your app will need to operate. Make sure to review each permission carefully. Once you've configured permissions, click on the Save button at the top right. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.